Describe a time when you missed or were late for a meeting. You should say, what was the meeting about? Why were you late or missed it? What was the impact of your absence? And explain what you did to make up for it. One time when I missed a meeting was when I was supposed to have a group discussion with my classmates for a group project. The meeting was scheduled to take place in the library after school hours. I was late for the meeting because I had to finish an assignment for another class that was due the next day. I had underestimated the amount of time it would take me to complete the assignment, and by the time I finished it, I had already missed the first half hour of the meeting. I felt really bad because I knew that my classmates were counting on me to contribute to the discussion and to help them come up with a plan for the project. The impact of my absence was that my group had to go ahead with the discussion without me, and they had to make decisions without my input. I had a specific role in the project that involved doing research and presenting it to the group, and my absence meant that I had missed out on important information and feedback from my teammates. To make up for my absence, I contacted my group members later that evening and apologized for being late. I explained why I was late and offered to catch up on what I had missed by reading the notes and watching the recording of the meeting that one of my group members had made. I also offered to take on extra responsibilities in the project to make up for my absence, such as doing more research and creating a detailed outline of our project plan. I wanted to show my group members that I was committed to the project and that I valued their time and effort. In conclusion, missing or being late for a meeting can have a negative impact on the team and the project. As a student, I learned the importance of managing my time effectively and communicating with my group members to make up for my mistakes.